Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Success CD's Education and I am back with the latest GK and current affairs quiz. इस क्विज में हम नवंबर 17 से 23 2020 के करंट अफेयर्स कवर करेंगे। इसी ड्यूरेशन के करंट अफेयर्स को हमने एक फ्री पीडीएफ में भी कंपाइल किया है और वीडियो के नीचे जो डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स है वहां पर लिंक दिया हुआ है जिसकी मदद से आप उस फ्री पीडीएफ को डाउनलोड कर सकते हैं। क्विज शुरू करने से पहले आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट यू दैट प्लीज सब्सक्राइब टू सक्सेस सीडीज एजुकेशन बाय हिटिंग ऑन द बेल आइकन so that you get notifications regarding the next uploads on our channel, and also follow Success CDs on various social media platforms. We are present on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and you have already subscribed to the channel on YouTube, so you can get interesting stuff like quizzes and other trivia related to GK and current affairs. अब हम अपना क्विज शुरू करते हैं। Question number 1. Whose statue has been unveiled by PM Narendra Modi virtually on November 16, known as Statue of Peace? Options are Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Swami Vivekanand, Shri Vijay Vallabh Sureshwar Ji Maharaj, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. इसका आंसर है श्री विजय वल्लभ सुरेश्वर जी महाराज। Shri Vijay Vallabh Sureshwar Ji Maharaj was a Jain saint whose statue was divulged to mark his 151st birth anniversary. The statue has been built with a height of 151 inches. 8 metals such as copper are the main component. He was a Jain saint who lived from 1870 to 1954. He had worked to spread the consciousness and message of Lord Mahavira. He had also worked for the welfare of the masses by speaking against social evils, the importance of education, and was active support to the Indian freedom struggle and Swadeshi movement. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. बिहार के दो नए डेप्यूटी चीफ मिनिस्टर्स कौन हैं? ऑप्शंस है तारकिशोर प्रसाद एंड सुशील मोदी, तेजस्वी यादव एंड चिराग पासवान, रेणु देवी एंड सुशील मोदी, तारकिशोर प्रसाद एंड रेणु देवी। आंसर है तारकिशोर प्रसाद एंड रेणु देवी। तारकिशोर प्रसाद एक बीजेपी लेजिस्लेटर हैं, while रेणु देवी is the deputy leader in the BJP legislature. Both the deputy chief ministers were decided at a meeting held at Chief Minister Nitish Kumar's residence between Nitish Kumar, Bihar BJP in charge Bhupendra Yadav and election in charge Devendra Fadnavis. Question number 3. After the third and severe COVID-19 wave, which city has been directed for increased RT-PCR test along with door-to-door survey? ऑप्शंस है मुंबई, गाजियाबाद, दिल्ली, कोलकाता। इसका आंसर है दिल्ली। होम मिनिस्टर अमित शाह ने अनाउंस किया है कि हॉस्पिटल में बेड्स और मेडिकल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर को 250 से 300 आईसीयू बेड्स में इंक्रीज कर दिया जाएगा जो कि होगा डीआरडीओ हॉस्पिटल धौला कुआं में। और उन्होंने ये भी डायरेक्ट किया है कि प्रीवियस कंटेनमेंट जोन्स में कांस्टेंट मॉनिटरिंग की जाए हाई रिस्क एरियाज की। कुछ एमसीडी हॉस्पिटल्स को भी डेडिकेटेड हॉस्पिटल्स में कन्वर्ट कर दिया जाएगा फॉर कोविड-19 पेशेंट्स। Question number 4. How many guests are now allowed in a wedding during the third wave and rising cases of COVID-19 in Delhi? Options है 100, 200, 50, 250. Answer है 50. दिल्ली गवर्नमेंट ने अब डिसाइड कर दिया है कि वेडिंग में गेस्ट का जो नंबर है उसे 200 से कम करके 50 कर दिया जाएगा। दिस डिसीजन वाज फॉलोड बाय अ सजेशन to the Lieutenant Governor of Delhi about shutting a few markets in Delhi that are not following COVID-19 safety precautions. We move ahead to question number 5. Which biotechnology company has decided to seek emergency use authorization from the US Food and Drug Administration (FDA)? Options are Pfizer, Covaxin, Moderna, Sputnik. Answer is Moderna. Moderna has announced phase 3 trials of COVID-19 vaccine and it claims that it is 94.5% effective. The company is expecting to get emergency use authorization based on the final analysis of 151 cases. Question number 6. For conserving which bird, the Union government has released a 5-year action plan? Options है eagle, vulture, sparrow, pigeon. Answer is vulture. Vultures are scavengers of nature. They feed on animal carcasses. This step has been taken after the population of vultures is decreasing. A drug named diclofenac will be removed from veterinary use due to its toxic nature. It has been noted that only 0.4 to 0.7% diclofenac has been found in animal carcasses, and it is enough to decline the vulture population. Question number 7. Who has been appointed as the first chairperson of the Reserve Bank Innovation Hub? Options are Ashok Jhunjhunwala, Senapati Gopal Krishnan, Gopal Srinivasan, Mrityunjay Mahapatra. Answer is Senapati Gopal Krishnan. Senapati Gopal Krishnan is the co-founder and former co-chairman of Infosys. Reserve Bank Innovation Hub was formed after the announcement of the central bank in August 2020. The aim is to promote innovation sector along the financial sector. It was also to collaborate with technology industry, academic institutions and financial sector institutions. It will also provide internal infrastructure for fintech research. Question number 8. What is the name of the spacecraft that has been launched to carry 4 astronauts into outer space, which will help NASA in keeping the International Space Station full with staff? Options are SpaceM, SpaceX, Space NASA, Space Earth. Answer is SpaceX. SpaceX has carried 4 NASA astronauts, Victor Glover, Shannon Walker, Michael Hopkins and Soichi Noguchi to outer space. SpaceX was supposed to dock with ISS on November 16. The crew was meant to spend 27 hours in the orbit. SpaceX Crew Dragon capsule contained a working restroom with some time to sleep, as the capsule will move in orbit. Question number 9. Where will Asia's first solar-powered textile mill get installed in India? Akola Maharashtra, Parbhani Maharashtra, Bhandara Maharashtra और बीड महाराष्ट्र. आंसर है परबनी महाराष्ट्र. सोलर पावर टेक्सटाइल मिल इंस्टॉल होगी जय भवानी विमेंस कोऑपरेटिव मिल में, और ये पहली मिल होगी जो सोलर पावर पे चलेगी. इट इज स्प्रेड अक्रॉस 30 acres ऑफ लैंड एंड इट विल प्रोसेस कॉटन इनटू क्लॉथ. इट विल फर्दर अंडरटेक एक्टिविटीज लाइक गिनिंग, प्रेसिंग, वीविंग एंड स्पिनिंग. Question number 10. Which nation will take part in a standalone summit with India to discuss space and finance? Options है Austria, Luxembourg, France, Mexico. आंसर है लग्जमबर्ग. लग्जमबर्ग के प्राइम मिनिस्टर जेवियर बेटल ने वेलकम किया ये एग्रीमेंट भारत के साथ. दोनों नेशंस ने डिसाइड किया है कि ये पहला समिट है 2 डेकेड्स के बाद, और ये एक्सपेक्ट किया जा रहा है देयर विल बी कोऑपरेशन बिटवीन द 2 नेशंस इन द पोस्ट कोविड वर्ल्ड. लग्जमबर्ग विल आल्सो एक्सटेंड सपोर्ट फॉर इंडिया इन द UNSC इलेक्शन फॉर द टर्म 2021-22. Which new deadly virus has been confirmed by Center for Disease Control and Prevention USA to get transmitted through human to human contact? Options are Ebola virus, coronavirus, Chapair virus, smallpox. Answer is Chapair virus. Chapair virus causes a viral hemorrhagic fever and can also be transmitted indirectly through urine or feces of infected rodent. In case of outbreak, this virus will not be causing a massive pandemic like COVID-19. The first case of this virus occurred in 2003 in Chapair province of Bolivia. Second case was in 2019 in Carnavi province of Bolivia, जिसकी वजह से 5 और केसेस हो गए हैं. It can transmit through healthcare procedures or contact with an infected person's body fluids. Question number 12. Which country will host the Under-17 Women's World Cup in 2022? Options are Germany, USA, Britain, India. Answer is India. Originally, the Under-17 Women's World Cup 21 was likely to be scheduled in India on November 17, which has now been cancelled due to ongoing pandemic. FIFA has further decided to cancel Under-20 Women's World Cup. Costa Rica will host Under-20 Women's World Cup 22. Question number 13. Which Pakistani terrorist has been sentenced to 10-year jail term by the Anti-Terrorism Court (ATC)? Hafiz Saeed, Dawood Ibrahim, Ayman Al-Zawahiri, Ahmad Ghailani. Answer is Hafiz Saeed. हाफिज सईद को 2 टेरर फंडिंग केसेस के लिए सेंटेंस किया गया है. ही इज रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर 26/11 मुंबई टेरर अटैक एंड ही इज ऑल्सो द चीफ ऑफ जमात उद दावा. This will be the 4th conviction for him. He is also sentenced to 11 years jail in February 2020 in 2 terror funding cases. Which new scheme has been launched by the Indian government to recover vendors and nano entrepreneurs who had left their native places due to COVID-19 lockdown? Options are PM Seva, PM Swanidhi, PM Kisan Maan Dhan Yojana, PM Shram Yogi Maan Dhan. Answer is PM Swanidhi. PM Swanidhi का फुल फॉर्म है प्रधानमंत्री स्ट्रीट वेंडर्स आत्मनिर्भर निधि स्कीम. Over 14,34,000 applications have been approved for the benefit under this scheme, and over 7.88 lakh loans have been disbursed. The nano entrepreneurs are eligible for working capital credit up to 10,000 rupees, which they will repay in 12 months. The banks have been reaching at doorstep to provide them with loans for starting their ventures. Question number 15. Which first crewless flight is likely to be launched by ISRO by the end of 21? Gaganyaan, Antariksh, Gangayaan, Vikramyaan. Answer is Gaganyaan. The flight was originally planned to launch in first part of 2020 but was postponed due to COVID-19 pandemic. A second crewless flight will be launched in 22 before the launch of humans to space. ISRO also flagged off the first human-rated S-200 motor case for the first Gaganyaan flight in November 2020. Question number 16. Who has been elected as external auditor of Inter-Parliamentary Union in Geneva? Options हैं RBI Governor Shaktikanta Das, GGSIPU VC Anil Kumar Tyagi, CAG Girish Chandra Murmu, Raghuram Rajan. Answer is CAG Girish Chandra Murmu. Comptroller and Auditor General of India, Murmu has been elected for 3 years. He will take charge of the Supreme Audit Institution of Switzerland. The election took place at the virtual meeting of 284th session. IPU, that is Inter-Parliamentary Union, has 13 associate members with 179 parliamentarian bodies. Question number 17. Which nation has surpassed India in World Test Championship points table? Options are Sri Lanka, Australia, Britain, Bangladesh. Answer is Australia. India was surpassed by Australia after ICC announced a new altered point scheme due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The board has changed its terms to determine how the series has been affected by coronavirus pandemic. The changes were recommended by former cricketer Anil Kumble. According to the new point system, the teams will be ranked based on the percentage of points earned from the series played. Question number 18. For which state has the rural drinking water project been sanctioned by PM Narendra Modi? Options are Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Total cost of rural drinking water project is 5,555.38 crores and is planned to be completed within 2 years. The project will start in Mirzapur and Sonbhadra district in Vindhyachal of Uttar Pradesh. This project aims to provide household tap water connection in 2,995 villages and will benefit 24 lakh people. Question number 19. Who has won the Booker Prize for Fiction for 2020? Options are Stephen King, Margaret Atwood, Douglas Stewart, Bernardine Everisto. Answer is Douglas Stewart. Douglas Stewart is a Scottish writer who has won the prize for his debut novel Shughie The Booker Prize for Fiction was formerly known as Booker McConnell Prize. It is a literary prize awarded for the best original novel written in English language every year. Question number 20. The Indian government has signed MOU with this bank for lending $500 million for the Delhi Ghaziabad Meerut Regional Rapid Transit System project. What is the name of this bank? Options are Swiss Bank, World Bank, New Development Bank, Bank of America. Answer is New Development Bank. Regional Rapid Transit System project is also known as RRTSP. It provides a safe, reliable and fast public transport system in Delhi NCR. This project will support the idea of urban development. This corridor is likely to carry more people than the normal rate at a higher speed. It will reduce congestion on roads with average speed of 100 km per hour. Question number 21. Which Indian American has been elected as Policy Director for Jill Biden? Options are Mala Adiga, Mala Arora, Maya Adiga, Anita Adiga. Answer is Mala Adiga. Mala Adiga has served as Senior Advisor to Jill Biden and Senior Policy Advisor on Biden-Harris campaign. She has also served as Deputy Assistant Secretary of State for Academic Programs at the Educational and Cultural Affairs Bureau under Barack Obama's administration. Question number 22. Which nation is all set to launch unmanned spacecraft to the moon for bringing some lunar rocks? Our options are India, USA, Britain, China, and the answer is China. China is the nation to attempt retrieving samples from a natural satellite of the Earth since 1970s. The spacecraft is Chang'e 5. It is named after Chinese goddess of the moon. After collecting the material from the moon, it will help scientists in understanding more about the moon's origin and surface. Question number 23. Which construction firm has backed this contract to build India's first high-speed rail corridor? Options are Reliance Infrastructure, Larsen & Toubro, Hindustan Construction Company, Nagarjuna Construction Company. Answer is Larsen & Toubro. The contract is to build 87.569 kilometers of special rail corridor or bullet train project called Mumbai Ahmedabad High Speed Rail. Project की cost है more than 7,000 crore rupees. Originally it is of 508 kilometers and bullet train will run at a speed of 320 km per hour. Question number 24. In which country PM Modi has recently launched RuPay card phase 2? Options है Bhutan, Singapore, Malaysia, Sri Lanka. Answer है Bhutan. RuPay एक इंडियन क्रेडिट एंड डेबिट पेमेंट सर्विस है जो कि ATMs, POS डिवाइसेस और ई-कॉमर्स वेबसाइट्स पे एक्सेप्ट होता है. इसका लॉन्च के बाद भूटान विल एबल टू एक्सेस द RuPay नेटवर्क इन इंडिया. तो भूटान के लोग इंडिया में भी RuPay नेटवर्क एक्सेस कर पाएंगे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 25. As per the ICC rules, what is the new minimum age limit to play international cricket? 16 years, 15 years, 14 years, 17 years. Answer is 15 years. This decision has been taken to improve the safeguard of players. ICC has decided to keep the minimum age to play cricket at 15 years in any form of men's or women's cricket or even under 19 international cricket. Cricket board has also said that they can allow a player under the age of 15 to play cricket under special circumstances. With this we come to With this we come to an end of this session of current affairs quiz. Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share this with your friends, and also subscribe to Success CDs Education for more videos. And with this is Ruchika signing off. Till we meet next, take care and goodbye.